On-site application demonstration episode R. Traditional drilling is fixed. For example, if there is E-by between my two holes, it will be E-by, it cannot. Our model uses a belt drive and tensioning wheel structure. Can adjust this spacing. After calibrating the knife, we can see that it has been adjusted to drill through the 1 in our hands tubular. After calibrating the knife, we can see that it has been adjusted to drill through the 1 in our hands tubular. Where do I adjust the depth and depth? It's the one that adjusts the depth above the pneumatic device. The drilling thickness becomes shallower by rotating downwards, while the drilling thickness becomes by rotating upwards. The drilling size can be achieved by replacing the drill bit. If the pipes have different widths, we can adjust them to support the mountain as well to adjust the front pressing device. To achieve the function of compressing materials of different widths, we have equipped new cylinders for pressing materials, and we will start this pressing process later. It will automatically clamp. We have already placed the materials, and when the knob is in working mode, press the foot switch, activate the drilling power head for drilling work. If there is any waste, it will fall under our machine. There will be a waste collection box at the back of our machine to collect waste. After filling it up, take it out and clean it up. In addition to iron pipes, we can also drill aluminum profiles and plastic pipes, mainly long strip-shaped pipes. With the longest inner space, we can enter up to meters of material. Our maximum travel of this shaft can reach 1.9 to 1.95 meters, which is acceptable drilled. Stay tuned for a more exciting third episode.